Hello, you're with Chandeep Chabra at Gurli, and in this video, we're going to talk about the IFERROR function in Excel. The IFERROR function is a beautiful function that allows you to fix errors with a customizable output just in case your formula gives you an error. Let's just take a look at this example. We have some amount here, and this amount has to be distributed between 3 people. So we want to know what is the amount per person. So which is pretty straightforward. I'm going to take the total amount and divide this by the number of people that I have. So $30,000 divided by 3, which is going to give me $10,000 per person, which is pretty okay, which is pretty straightforward. But when I drag this formula down to the rest of the cells, here in the second entry, I have $40,000, but that is not supposed to be distributed between any number of people. So when I drag this down, 40,000 divided by 0 gives me a div error. That means this number is not divisible by 0. So it gives me an error. So it's not your fault that the formula is giving error. Maybe the data is like that. So how would you want to fix this error? So this error really looks dirty when you're producing a finished output. You really don't want these errors to appear. So what I can do is I can fix these errors with an IFERROR function. So I can just write if error. So if error, if error. So if error kind of accepts just 2 things. The first is the value or the formula. So this is my formula, which is going to give me a value. And after that, I write whatever I want to customize. So let's say if this formula gives me an error, if this formula is giving me an error, what do I want? So maybe I just want a 0, right? So I'll just write that 0 and press enter and drag it down. So it now shows 0. So if error is pretty straightforward. So the first thing that you write is your normal calculation or your normal value, whatever you're trying to do. And just in case this gives an error, the if error flips over to the second part and produces this customized output. So you can also write a piece of text here. So as of now, we have written 0. You can also write not possible. All right, not possible, right? So, and you can just drag it down. So as soon as the formula detects an error in the calculation, it will flip over and jump over to the second part and give that part. It could be a text or it could be a number. So that was the IFERROR function. And you can follow us on Facebook or Twitter, or you can follow us on the blog gurli.co.in. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.